We're finally here. Man, you never said it would be this far. I'm beat.
We're going in.
Okay now, where is that woman?
I knew it was you two.
It's been a long time, Karin.
I'd heard rumors of Orochimaru's death. You showing up here a free man must mean they weren't just rumors.
That's right.
And why are you here?
I'll be blunt. Karin, come with me. I need your power.
You what? Why on earth should I? I'm in charge here.
Orochimaru is gone.
I've got responsibilities. What about the prisoners?
Suigetsu, go and free every prisoner in the compound.
Ordering me around as always. Okay, fine, whatever.
There's no more need for a warden. You don't have to stick around. What do you say?
Okay, I'll come.
Quick to decide.
No, I've thought about it a lot. Your timing was right. I'm fed up with guarding this place. So, yeah, I'll go with you.
So you'll be with us from now on.
Hey! I never said I'd follow you!
So, you're not coming then?
All right. I'll come with you.
It's decided then. That just leaves Jugo.